Here I have OPPO Reno8, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly we'll have to put away case. So here you can find SIM card and SD card slot. So in order to eject it, you have to find a tool like this. Then you just push it a little and slot will come out by itself. So here you have to put your SD card and here you have to put your SIM card. And then put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. Let's enter it. And there's also must be a notification that SD card found, but there's no such notification, so I'm just gonna go to storage and show you the proof of SD card existence. And as you can see, now I have SD card here in my files. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.